Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Zahir Masar and my fellow Muhammad Siklan belongs to ComSat Institute of Information Technology Lahore campus. Today I am going to tell you about the chemical processes involved in chemical industry. Chemicals and chemistry is used widely in almost each field in industry like plastics, petrochemicals, agrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, paints and information of different acids. First of all, let us discuss some important terms related to chemical industry, like what is a process, what is a chemical process, what is a chemical reaction, chemical science, chemical engineering, and the process engineering. A process in a science, a process is a sequence of changes of a real object which is observable using a scientific method. Chemical process. A chemical process is a method or means of somehow changing one or more chemicals or chemical compounds. Such a chemical process can occur by itself or be caused by somebody. Such a chemical process commonly involves a chemical reaction of some sort. Now, what is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process that always in the interconvergence of chemical substances. Chemical science. It is a scientific study of interaction of chemical substances. Chemical engineering, it is the application of science, in particular chemistry and physics, along with mathematics and economics, to the process of converting raw materials or chemicals into more useful or valuable forms. Now, process engineering is often a synonym for a chemical engineering and focuses on the design, operation and maintenance of chemical and material manufacturing processes. We will discuss with you people the plastic industry. A plastic material is any of wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic solid used in the manufacture of industrial products. Plastics are typically polymers of high molecular mass and may contain other substances to improve performances and reduce production cost. Monomers of plastics are either natural or synthetic organic compounds. There are main two types of plastics, thermoplastics and thermostatic plastics. Thermoplastics are the plastics that do not undergo chemical change in their composition when heated and can be molded again and again, like polyethylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chlorides. Thermosetting can melt and take shape once after they have solidified, they stay solid. The main chemical process involved in chemical plastic industry is the polymerization. Any process in which monomers combine chemically to produce a polymer is called polymerization. In the preceding slides, I have told you about the polymerization. Now let's have a look on a polymerization chamber, and this chamber which is in front of you is a plasma polymerization chamber. Now, what are the types of polymerization? There are main two types of polymerization: the additional polymerization and the condensation polymerization. Addition reactions are limited to chemical compounds that have multiple bonds, such as molecules with carbon-carbon double bonds, alkenes, or with the triple bond alkynes. Also included are molecules containing carbon hetero double bonds, like amine. Now, condensation reaction, a type of chemical reaction in which two simple molecules combine to form a third complex molecule. Here is an example for you: the condensation polymerization reaction in which two molecules are combining and eliminating a water molecule to form a polymer. Now, it is an example of additional polymerization reaction in which the polymerization of ethene into the polyethylene is taking place. This is a radical additional polymerization reaction, or you can say mechanism. Now, what is bakelite? It is a type of plastic which are commonly used. The first so-called plastics based on synthetic polymer was made from phenol and formaldehyde. Bakelite was the first true plastic. It was a purely synthetic material, not based on any material or even molecule found in nature. It was also the first thermosetting plastic. Conventional thermoplastics can be molded and then melted again, but the thermoset plastics form bonds between polymer strands when cured, creating a tangled matrix that cannot be undone without destroying the plastic. Thermoset plastics are tough and temperature resistant. Now, polystyrene is a rigid, brittle, inexpensive plastic that has been used to make plastic model kits and similar knickknacks. It would also be the basis for one of the most popular foam plastic under the name styrene foam or styrofoam. Foam plastics can be synthesized in an open cell form in which the foam bubbles are interconnected, as in an absorbent sponge, and closed cell in which all the bubbles are distinct like tiny balloons, as in gas-filled foam insulation and flotation devices. Here is the polymerization reaction of polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride has side chains incorporating chlorine atoms which form strong bonds. PVC in its normal form is stiff, strong, heat and weather resistant, and is now used for making plumbing, gutters, house sidings, enclosures for computers and other electronic gears.